Is your Google TV not connecting to the internet through Ethernet? This usually happens because of loose or faulty cables, adapter compatibility issues, or sometimes a network configuration problem. Here are the 3 best solutions to fix this problem. Solution 1. Check cable and adapter. Make sure the Ethernet cable is firmly plugged into both of your router and TV. You can remove the Ethernet cable from your TV for a bit, then plug it back in. Do the same thing with your router. Simply plug out the Ethernet cable from your router, then plug it back in. You can also try to switch the LAN port of your router and try to attach the Ethernet cable into another LAN port. That can sometimes work too. If possible, test with another Ethernet cable or adapter. Many times the issue comes down to a bad or loose connection, but if the cable itself is faulty, then you should try a replacement. Solution 2. Test Wi-Fi. From your home menu, use your remote to navigate to the settings icon and open it. Then open Network and Internet. Now try using the Wi-Fi option of the same network that is giving you trouble with the Ethernet. If that network's Wi-Fi works but Ethernet doesn't, it means that the cable is faulty. But if both of them don't work, then the problem may be with your router itself. So try changing it or contact your internet service provider. Solution 3. Restart devices and switch router port. Restart your Google TV by powering it off completely. Then plug it back on. Meanwhile, unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds. Wait a bit and plug it back in and reconnect. This quick reset often fixes the issue instantly. And that's it. With these 3 solutions, your Google TV should start working over a wired Ethernet connection without any issues. If this tutorial helped you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Google TV fixes. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.